My highlight of the show has been a customer that we met at this exhibition last year who put her faith in our business. We delivered some equipment and she came back especially to tell us it was the best business decision she'd ever made and had doubled her turnover with it.
To see the products and see how they are in real life and check the consistencies of the gel polishes, the grow gels. We get a lot of online customers. Most of our customers are in the north, so it's good to come down to London and introduce ourselves here as well.
This year's highlight, wow, the queues. I know it sounds bad, but it's so nice when you turn up and you see all the people here to support the brand, wanting to try the stuff, wanting to try the new humour-free products. So yeah, seeing that queue and seeing people be so patient and friendly with us, it's amazing.
It gives us an opportunity to do several things, meet our existing customers, talk to them about new products. We launched the M-Lift actually at Manchester, but we're consolidating on that launch now in the south. We upsold to our existing database, but also created a lot of new business from the audience here.
It's really a buzz. I think we love bringing out our new products and seeing face to face what the feedback is from people. And we also like the networking.
I like to see new customers. I like to see what the trends are and what people want. This industry is changing all the time.
It's one thing looking on our website at the devices, but getting the chance to show them in the flesh is priceless. My first ever customer from 2018, they came back. It was so exciting to see how much they've grown since 2018, how much has changed, how much has evolved. She started working from home, a home clinic with one machine. Now I'm very pleased to say she owns our whole range and bought another machine.
We've sold out of our touch LED for our soft gel system. It's been in really huge demand.
So from a live demo point of view, it's so wonderful to show off some of the amazing technology we have across our gel systems, across treatments, strengtheners. I think it really brings things to life.